Welcome! In front of me I have a Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the control panel. On this panel find the airplane mode icon, and once you find it you can tap on it to enable the mode. This switch will tick on, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go back to the top of the control panel, you will see that at the top next to the battery there is an airplane mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the airplane mode, press the lower button to open the control panel, scroll down, find the airplane mode icon and tap on it to disable the mode. And the switch will go back to the ticked off position, and the icon from the top of the control panel will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.